Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform with Notion. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically send form responses directly into your Notion database, saving you from manual data entry and keeping everything organized in one place. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to typeform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Typeform dashboard where all your existing forms are displayed. This is your central hub for managing and editing any forms you've created. Now, locate the form you want to connect with Notion. Simply click on the name of that specific form to open it. This will take you directly into the form's workspace where you can make edits and configure various settings. The workspace is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your form's behavior and connections. Once you're inside the form's workspace, look for the Connect button and click on it. This opens up a menu showing all the possible integrations available for your form. In the search field that appears, type Notion to quickly find the integration we need. When Notion appears in the results, click on it, then select Connect to begin the setup process. Next, you'll see an Authenticate button. Click on this to proceed with linking your Notion account. You'll be prompted to log into your Notion account, so enter your Notion credentials to authorize the connection between Typeform and Notion. This authentication step is essential as it grants Typeform permission to access and write data to your Notion workspace. After authenticating, you'll need to select your Notion database from the drop-down menu that appears. This is the specific database where you want your Typeform responses to be sent. Take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct database, as this is where all future form submissions will automatically populate. Now comes the mapping process, which is crucial for ensuring your data flows correctly. You'll need to map Typeform questions to Notion fields. Start by choosing a question from the left drop-down menu, then match it to the corresponding Notion property on the right. This tells Typeform exactly which piece of information should go into which field in your Notion database. Repeat this process for all the questions in your form until everything is properly mapped. Once you've finished mapping all your questions, click Save Mapping to lock in these configurations. Finally, click Turn On to activate the sync. That's it. From this moment forward, any new responses submitted through your Typeform will automatically populate your Notion database in real time. You've successfully created a seamless workflow that eliminates manual data transfer and keeps your information synchronized across both platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.